Hello there, happy 2026. It has been 9 months since my last video, and this isn't a return to form. I just wanted to wish everyone a happy New Year's, and while I'm at it, just kind of show you that I'm still working on the game, slowly, very sporadically, but when I do when I can. So yeah, this is what the game's looking like right now. We have fancy new UI. The overlay is kind of hooked in correctly and displaying stuff correctly. Yeah, so let's just do a full refresher while I have you. So it is a menuless tactics game in a sense that there are no menus to select your abilities or items or anything like that. The overlay controls everything. So I have my movement squares, which are fairly straightforward, places where I can move. And then these grey squares are like, they're in range of my abilities, but there's nothing here, so there's no point in casting your ability there. I can cast it on my ally. So I've got my self ability that I cast on myself, an ability I cast on an ally, an ability I cast on an enemy. And then if I get to the mage, he walks a little bit differently. So he has an AoE ability in his spells, so he can cast his everywhere. So for the sake of explanation, for examples, if I cast my tooltip's in the way, if I cast it here, it would actually hurt my guy. It would hit me. So now I can, but instead I can cast it here, and it won't hit me. Does that make sense? And then I can move away. So how it works is every character has an action and a movement. So down here in this little tooltip, little panel, I have these two buttons. So if I move to here, this went grey, so I've used my movement, and I can attack still, and then that's when my turn ends. But also I can attack first, and now I have movement left, so I gotta use my movement. I need to add an end turn buttons in case you don't want to move, but that's just something to do. And then the only other thing as well, apart from all the UI and the kind of the overlay, I have sound hooked up. All the sounds are temporary. It's just some stuff I pulled from an asset pack. But it's hooked up. I need to figure out how to actually make nice sounds. Yeah, that's it. I just wanted to kind of wish everyone a happy New Year's and tell you that I am still here. I am still making the game. It's just going kind of slow as I'm getting used to my new life. But yeah, I should be around at some point. If you want to chat, join the Discord. Links in the description. And thank you all so much. I appreciate this. Cheers.